Hello guys, in this video, I'll be answering a popular question. Can you download Tinytask on your mobile phone? So, you might be wondering what Tinytask is. Tinytask is a minimalist PC automation app designed to record and repeat actions. It's incredibly helpful for tasks like automating repetitive actions in games or tools. Now, here's the thing. Currently, Tinytask is only available for PC. This means it can only be used for PC games or online tools that requires automation. So unfortunately, it's not compatible with mobile platforms like Android or iOS. So if you're looking to automate tasks on your mobile, you will need to explore alternative apps such as Tasker for Android or Shortcuts for iOS. Mobile devices have more restrictions and lack of flexibilities of PCs when it comes to micro tools like Tinytask. So developing an automation app with the same capabilities for mobile is challenging due to system limitations and app permissions. So even though Tinytask isn't available for mobile, you can use apps like Taskers on Android or Shortcuts on iOS. These apps provide robust automation tools and options tailored to mobile devices, helping you streamline repetitive tasks effectively. So if you're asking if Tinytask can be used on mobile, the direct answer is no. However, you can switch to PC for automation or explore mobile's alternatives for similar experience. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and comment, and thanks for watching.